Hello students, I am Ashwani, your computer teacher. I hope you all are good. Students, today we are going to start second chapter of information technology, that is data entry and keyboarding skills. So as the name of chapter signifies that in this chapter we would be learning or we would be studying about various data entry skills, or you can say typing skills, and some keyboarding skills. Keyboarding skills means the skills that are required to use a computer keyboard. So in this chapter students, we will be discussing following topics. First one is keyboard and its keys. Now as we all know that computer keyboard is having so many keys, and all those keys are grouped in various groups. So we will be discussing all the groups of keys of a computer keyboard. The next topic we will be discussing is touch typing and its benefits. Touch typing I will tell you later when we come to the topic. Then third topic would be home keys. Then rapid typing software. Now see beta, this is a software that we will be learning to learn touch typing. Touch typing is basically the typing without looking at the keyboard. So we will learn typing without looking at the keyboard using this software, means rapid typing software. So next topic would be rapid typing software and its various courses according to the difficulty level. Then we will be familiarizing with the interface or various components of rapid typing software. After that we will be discussing some concepts on the basis of which our performance of typing is calculated, means typing speed and typing rhythm we will be discussing. Then interpreting the result and detailed statistics, means suppose you have practiced one chapter or one lesson on rapid typing software, so you can see the result and statistics, that what was your performance, what was your speed, what was your accuracy. So everything we will be looking in result sheet and detailed statistics sheet. Then last topic of this chapter would be lesson editor in rapid typing. So let us start with the very first topic of the chapter, that is keyboard and its keys. So first of all, keyboard. Keyboard is the basic input device that is used to enter data by pressing keys. It has different sets or groups of keys for letters, numbers, characters, symbols and functions. A standard keyboard generally has 104 or 104 keys. So students, basically keyboard is an input device which is used to give input to the computer in the form of typed letters, typed words, typed numbers, etc. But this definition we have studied in second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, in the junior classes you can say. Then why they have introduced this topic in ninth class? Because they want to teach you the touch typing. So before learning touch typing, we must be familiarized with the keyboard. So one more point I want to share with you, that is of your level only, that a keyboard is responsible to convert the pressed character into computer understandable language, that is binary language. Now what is the meaning of this line? See, we all know that computer works on binary language. Computer does not understand English, computer does not understand Hindi, Punjabi, not even a single language of this world computer understands, but computer understands only one language, and that is binary language, the language of 0 and 1. But on the keyboard, what are you pressing? You are pressing A, B, C, means alphabet of English you are using to type the words, to type the sentences. But computer does not understand that. Then what is the main purpose of keyboard? So keyboard is specially designed to convert those characters or those letters into binary language. Also there is a circuit inside the computer keyboard. When you press a key, that key does not go directly in the computer. Means if you are pressing A is not directly going in the computer. A is first of all being converted into binary language, its binary equivalent, and computer circuit is converting that. So when it goes to the computer, goes inside the computer in the form of binary, then again your computer, the processor changes it to your understandable language, means again in English. So computer has this function also, sorry, keyboard has this function also of converting the characters in the binary form. Then next is various groups of keys. Now students, if you see in this picture, I have shown you a keyboard and there are so many different groups on the keyboard. This is a standard keyboard. See, there are control keys also, there are navigation keys also, there are numeric keys also, function keys also. Otherwise you can see these letters also, A to Z. Clear? Some symbols are also printed on these keys. So basically this keyboard is divided into 5 to 6 various groups. So now we will be discussing these groups. Picture you have already seen. So now let us discuss. First one is typing keys, or you can say alphanumeric keys. So these keys include the same letters or A to Z, numbers, punctuations and symbol which are found on a traditional typewriter. If you have seen a typewriter is also like a keyboard. So all the keys which are present on a typewriter, they are just alphanumeric keys of a keyboard, means a small part, or you can say 1/5 part of a keyboard, because computer is divided into 5 different groups and one group is alphanumeric keys. Clear? Then second we have control keys. Control keys means control, alt, shift, Windows logo, all these are called control keys. These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. For example, you press Ctrl plus A and the function of Ctrl plus A is to select all data. Then you press Ctrl plus C, that is used for the copy purpose. Then Ctrl plus X to cut, Ctrl plus V to paste. Then you press Shift and then you press any alphanumeric key and some symbol is printed. So Shift is also being used for some function, controlling the other keys. So in this way we have various control keys and they make a group of control keys. Then we have function keys. The function keys are used to perform specific tasks. See, if you see on the keyboard, function keys are present on the topmost row of your keyboard. F1, F2, F3, F4 up to F12. There are 12 function keys on your keyboard and these function keys are used to perform some specific task, and these tasks are not static, means they are not standardized. They depend upon the software to software, means in one software F5 can do something else, in other software F5 can do something else. Clear? So they are labeled as F1, F2, F3 and so on up to F12. The functionality of these keys differs from program to program or software to software. Then we have navigation keys. These keys are used for moving around in documents or web pages and editing text. They include the arrow keys, left, right, top, bottom, home, end, page up, page down. Now what are these keys? Home and end. Suppose beta you are typing a sentence and you are somewhere you have made a mistake in the spelling of a word in one sentence. So you have clicked on that particular word and you have corrected that. Now you directly go to the end of that line in which you were typing. So simply there is a key on the keyboard, end. Press that and automatically you will go to the end location. And if you want to come to the very first word or in the beginning of that line, then you can press home key. Home key is also there above the arrow keys on your keyboard. So all these are called navigation keys. Then you have page up, page down. Suppose you are making a document of multiple pages. Suppose you are on 6th page, and if you press page up, you will directly go to the 5th page, and if you press page down means you will go to the next 8th page. Then you have delete and insert also. Clear? Then is the group of numeric keys, or we can call it numeric keypad also. On the right side of the keyboard you will find it, numeric keypad. The numeric keypad is handy for entering numbers quickly. Means this numeric keypad or these numeric keys are very handy for entering numbers quickly or fast. So the keys are grouped together in a block like a conventional calculators. As you see, all the keys 1 to 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, as in a calculator. Similarly they are placed on the keyboard also in the numeric keypad section. Clear? Then next topic is touch typing. This is very important topic, because your whole chapter is based on touch typing. So touch typing is a method of typing without the use of sense of sight, or in simple words we can say that without looking at the keyboard. So now I hope the meaning of touch typing is clear to you all, that it is a process of typing words without looking at the keyboard. In this way we can type on the keyboard spontaneously by placing our hands on the keyboard without looking at any of the keys. So clear students, the meaning of touch typing. Now we will be discussing benefits of touch typing. Means what are the benefits of learning touch typing, or what are the benefits of doing the typing without looking at the keyboard. So there are 4 major benefits and we will be discussing these benefits one by one. So first of them is speed. So one of the most attractive reasons to learn the touch typing skill is the significant increase in the speed while entering data. Suppose you are typing something and you are not looking at the keyboard, you are not finding the keys on the keyboard, that where is the key, means ultimately your speed will increase. Because if you do not know the touch typing, you will find the keys to press on the keyboard. But if you know that where the key is, your hands know that where the key is, you need not to look at the key, your hands will directly or automatically will go to that particular key and press that key. So in this way we can increase the speed of typing. Then second is accuracy. Now the second most important benefit of learning touch typing comes with typing correctly and accurately, as we concentrate on screen to see what we are typing. Again the same thing, because we know that where the keys are, our fingers know that where the keys are, so our eyes need not to look at the keyboard, and we do not waste the time in looking at the keys. So our fingers know that where are the keys, so typing gets very accurately, typing is done very correctly in that way. Clear? Then the third benefit of learning touch typing is time. The more the typing speed is, the more will be the time saved in accomplishing a task. Obviously, if our speed of typing is increased, we are going to save our time. Obvious, it is quite obvious, because if we are typing a document of 5 pages, and if we are perfect in touch typing, obviously we will be typing that document in just half an hour. But if we do not know touch typing, we have to find all the keys. That means we will be spending more time. Clear? So touch typing gives us the benefit of accomplishing the task within the time frame. Then the last and the fourth benefit of touch typing is focus. So when we type with two fingers, means when we are typing while looking at the keyboard, at that time we cannot focus only and only on the screen, that what is being typed, because our focus is on the keyboard also, our focus is on the screen also. First on keyboard to know that where is the key, to find where is the key, then we will look at the screen that have we typed correctly. So in that way our focus gets distracted. So in this way, if you learn touch typing, in that way you will be able to focus on the screen only. Your focus will be on the document only, that you are typing it correctly or accurately. So touch typing lets you focus on the document only. Then next topic is home keys. Now if you see in the picture, please relate this picture to the words which are written on the left side. So first of all, let me tell you that most important rule to learn touch typing is to know about home keys. Now what are these home keys? Let us see. So home keys are the keys on a keyboard your fingers rest on when you are not typing. So this is the very first rule, that how you have to place your fingers on the keyboard. Initial position of your fingers should be on the home keys. For example, on the standard QWERTY keyboard, the home keys for your left hand are ASDF. Now you see in the picture, your left hand fingers are on ASDF and your right hand are JKL semicolon. See in the picture also, JKL semicolon. For both hands, the thumbs rest on the space bar. Yes, you can see it in the picture also. So once you have learnt this placement of fingers, the touch typing process starts. Means now you can start learning the typing without looking at the keyboard. So this is the first rule and important rule. Then by positioning your hands correctly on the home keys, you can memorize where all other keys are located on the keyboard. So by doing this practice, or by positioning your fingers correctly, you can memorize where all other keys are located on the keyboard. So this all you will be learning in rapid typing software, that how to memorize all the keys, how to do touch typing. So everything we will be learning in touch typing software. So this touch typing software we are not going to start today. We will start this touch typing software in our next class, because if we start it today, it is very lengthy process to learn that software. So we will learn it in the next class. So thank you students. Now before ending today's session, I want to discuss one thing with you, that on last Sunday I gave you one assignment or a revision test, you can say. But I am very disappointed that I got reply, or I got that worksheet done from only, you can say, 20 to 25 students. See, I know that there are 45 to 50 students in your class in both the sections of 9th, but I have got only 20 to 25 worksheets from the students. So it was very disappointing for me. So students, please be punctual in doing all your work, be attentive in your online classes. There is a lot to learn in these online classes, so please be little bit disciplined. The ones who have done, they obviously deserve thumb up, but the ones who have not done or ones who have not submitted, please beta, um, be little bit disciplined and punctual in submitting all your assignments. So thank you and take care.